Well, in this video, we're going to solve an equation with the unknown on both sides, and there is a fraction in the equation. So writing down the equation. Okay, what makes it difficult is this divided by 3 here. So what we need to do is to remove that by multiplying both sides by 3. So if we're going to multiply all this by 3, we need to write 3 brackets 4x minus 3. And if we multiply this side by 3, you get 3 divided by 3, which is nothing. So you're just left with, which is 1, sorry, which you're just left with 8x plus 7. And now we've made the equation easier to solve. So the next step would be to expand the brackets on this side. So 3 times 4x gives me 12x, and then 3 times minus 3 gives me minus 9, is equal to 8x plus 7. And then what we do now, if we look at 12x and 8x and take the smaller term of the two, the smaller term is 8x, so we need to do the opposite of plus 8x, which is to take 8x from both sides. So we get 12x minus 8x, which gives me 4x, still got the minus 9, and 8x minus 8x gives us nothing, so we've still got a 7 here. And then working outwards towards the x, we've got minus 9. So the opposite of minus 9 is to add 9 to both sides. So we get 4x minus 9 plus 9, which gives me 4x. And we get 7 plus 9, which gives me 16. So we got 4 times x is equal to 16. So the opposite of multiplying by 4 is to divide both sides by 4. So 4x divided by 4 gives me x, and then 16 divided by 4 gives me 4. So we get a final answer of x is equal to 4. Notice that all my equal signs are sort of in a straight line. Could do perhaps even a little bit better than that by just moving things along slightly. So you should keep out for that. Some students like to draw a line so that they keep all their equal signs in a straight line. Okay, I hope this has been a video to solve how to solve an equation with a fraction with x unknown on both sides. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.